I'm Priya and today we are doing BTS inspired makeup, so let's go. Now the thing is, I am not a makeup artist and I do not know how to draw on my face. So I'm just as good as any of you watching here. But I want to try and I need inspiration for that. So I'm gonna go on Pinterest and look for some BTS inspired makeup looks that armies have done. I'm on the page and the first thing I see is Kim Taeyang. Hello, sir. A lot of purple eyeshadows I see. One thing is for sure, I want to keep it, a Korean style makeup look and incorporate purple in it because a lot of these eyeshadows are purple and we want to embrace the Borahi life, right? Okay, this one looks really interesting where she's drawn like the map of the soul persona heart with the BTS logo. I think I want to do the BTS logo too. And also, like, they have their new album coming out this June, so should I just incorporate something from that? I'm on Amazon and I think I need to order some more makeup, although I have truckloads full of it in my drawers, but I still need more makeup. A bit more specifically, purple eyeshadow palette is what I need because I don't have it, I guess. Okay, here is the plan. I want to do a Korean style inspired makeup look and I want to incorporate purple into the look. Then I also want to write We Are Bulletproof maybe on the cheek or somewhere. And I also want to incorporate their BTS logo, which I'm not sure how I'll do and if I'll be able to draw, but I want to do that.
The next day.
Okay guys, so now we are going to be starting with our BTS inspired makeup and I need to prep my skin because all Koreans have such well hydrated skin, and so for that I'm going to be applying this Hydro Boost serum. Wait, I got lenses also, right? I should probably apply that first. So I got purple lenses for BTS. Mirchi.
Bruh.
Thank God I didn't apply the base. But anyways, I have both the lenses on and I got all my Amazon products thanks to the Prime delivery. I got it in 24 hours. So I have prepped my skin and I'm gonna apply this illuminator which will help us get that, dewy skin we all see in Korean idols and actresses makeup looks.
Bro, कैमरा में क्या ग्लो दिख रहा है ना, you have no idea. हाँ.
It's a good product I see. I was supposed to only buy purple eyeshadow, but when you're on Amazon and you scroll, you end up buying a truckload of stuff. So thanks to that, I got my foundation, which turns out I needed a new one. So Sugar Cosmetics is the base foundation, my holy grail one. I'm gonna apply it for the base. In a lot of Bangtan bombs, I've noticed that their makeup artists use a very, very small brush to apply their foundation, which always made me curious because, like, how do they do it? Do they just cover some parts of their face? Or, like, how do they actually finish it on time with that small little brush? I could never. Such a smooth skin. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer under my eyes. As I always say, I need to hide the fact that I have not slept in probably over a year.
You woke up at 10 today, Priya.
Yes, but in my defense, I did not sleep last night. Now for my eyebrows, I am gonna keep them very light, not too harsh, and also just gonna draw a very straight one. My personal favorite era of BTS makeup was Fake Love and really just like loved the bold eye looks, truly an answer to toxic masculinity, and we love that for them. I'm curious to know though, like which one was your favorite era, makeup wise, even the styling? Just let me know in the comment section. They don't use like contour on their cheeks, they just do it for the V-line, and I am gonna do on my nose and my forehead as well. So being very careful with this, we don't want a crooked nose. And for the V line, what I do is I just make a V on my chin like this and just gonna blend that. See? It works, right?
Yes.
Okay, so for blush, I am gonna use this lip and cheek tint by Earth Rhythm, which I have been hearing about a lot. It's super trendy nowadays. And I'm getting inspiration from Business Proposal for this blush idea. Why? Because if you've seen it, Shin Hari, the main lead, applies her blush near the eye area. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It looked super cute on her. I hope it does on me too. Like really near the eyes. I'm just gonna quickly blend this with a small little brush in a downwards direction. Baby, you could keep me going. Now coming to my personal favorite part, which is the eyes, and talk about an explosion of purple. This palette literally gives me like Euphoria vibes. If you were to play Jungkook's Euphoria, you are the cause of my euphoria, this is what would come in my mind. And let's look inside, because I am sure they have a purple eyeshadow which I'm going to be using today, but also such pretty glitters which are such an essential for a Korean makeup look. And I think I'm going to be using this one, and this one, and this one. That's a lot of colors. Let's go. Okay, let's speed run this. Here is a palette. I'm picking up this shade called Urbanism and putting it near my lash line. Then going towards this pink sort of a shade called Promise. Talk about Jungkook Jimin subunit. And then I'm gonna go towards this glittery sort of a shade and apply it in my inner corner. I'm gonna do the same thing for my lower lash line. You can leave this here if you want, but I'm gonna get artistic with it. So I've done my eye makeup, and now comes the hard part. Drawing the BTS logo and every single part of that makeup look that I ambitiously thought I could do. Okay, so I also got this L'Oreal Paris gel liner. It's gel, right? Gel liner. Shivani helps me with my shopping. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here on this side is I'm just gonna draw a chain-like pattern and then just add a BTS logo to it. Priya, you need to stop procrastinating this. Jeans cuff the way I shoot my shot, it's automatic. My team tough, if you want the smoke, I'll let you have it. Your scene's up, you can stop that. This is so nerve-wracking.
One eternity later.
So this is what it looks like right now. I am yet to draw the chain and I am yet to write We Are Bulletproof. I'm thinking, would it be too much though? Like if I'm writing here and then making stuff here also, would it be too much?
I feel so. Maybe
should I just do one thing?
Yeah, maybe you can just stop at the chain and the logo.
नहीं लिखो We Are Bulletproof?
हाँ लिख ली. Collarbone पे.
Oh, yes. Okay, let's change.
Oh my god, क्या idea दिया मैंने?
हाँ, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. So this is what I drew on my face. The BTS logo with the chains looks kind of cute. I'm proud of myself. It does look good.
It looks grungy more than cute, I would say.
That's cute for me. That's cute for me because grunge is my aesthetic, bro. But anyways, the point is now I'm just gonna do my lips and complete with the face and move on to my collarbone. Now I'm gonna apply this Kiro Beauty's Nutmeg Nude in shade 12 on my lips, all over it, just like very roughly. That's how I do things. Right? And also I need to create a dimension on my lips just like they do. Now I also have this lip gloss by Renee Beauty and I'm just gonna top my lips off with this one. I'm gonna move on and apply this highlighter by Sugar Cosmetics, which I also ordered from Amazon. No beauty guru, but like still gotta appreciate the stuff. Okay, so on my collarbones, let's go. I'm gonna take this brush and take the purple color and just right here where I'm gonna write the letters so that we get a sort of a purple glow behind it.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So this is my final look. It took me so long to actually write this and I'm not gonna lie, I took some help from Shivani. Thank you so much. We Are Bulletproof, their new album. I'm not sure what the title is gonna be because this is the tagline. Are you excited? If you are, comment down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, thank you so much. And if you recreate this look, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Here is my ID. Please like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, last time I pulled up looking fresh in all my fashion. Jeans cuffed the way I shoot my shot, it's automatic. My team tough, if you want the smoke, I'll let you have it. Your scene's up, you can stop the acting, let's get factual.